Good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, good morning. If this is your morning by your location, good evening or good night, as the case may be. This is the Igbo Tutor live. This is the time agreed when we should meet for our live class. So if you are for this class, it's good you begin to join now so that we can begin right on the dot of the hour, which is 2 p.m. Nigerian time. This is 4 minutes before the hour. I have to be here earlier than you to get the house prepared and ready, waiting for you. So you will do well to join us now. Wherever you are, begin to join now. And if you are seeing me now, you are interested in learning Igbo language live. This is the Igbo Tutor live. You do well to join us. But for you to join and participate in this class, you must be a member of this channel. So the first thing you have to do is to, join our membership. That way, you'll be able to join our live classes and participate fully. So if you are not yet a member of this channel, you do well to join membership. For a token, if you're in Nigeria, just 2,000 naira. Outside Nigeria, the prices might vary depending on what YouTube places it to be over there. So you do well to join a membership so that you can participate in these classes every Saturday. If you're a member already and you are opportune to be in this class now, do well to join right away. And if you are watching this live class later, maybe when it must have been uploaded into our channel, you are welcome. Well done, because I know it's not everybody that had the time to attend at the exact time. Maybe you are busy, your workplace, you have engagement, or you are, locked up in one activity or the other. You couldn't make it. That's fine. And you are watching me now, maybe a replay. That's very lovely. You're well done. We appreciate that. So participate. Even as you're watching it later, just also flow by doing what we ask others to do accordingly. That way, you have a feeling of a live class. Also, you can swipe your comment or chat session by left to get a replay of the chat when we are online, a chat replay, so that you can flow with us as we move. So that said, I am waiting for people to come on board now. The class is about to begin right now. The class is about to begin right now. So begin to join up now. Where are you? Join us now. I'm going to take permission for a second. I'll be back. Stay tuned. Yes, I'm back. I need to take some water. So I will be hydrated for the hour. We're going to talk for 1 hour. So I forgot my water. I have to take it so I can remain fresh while we are, moving on. So where are the people? Begin to join up now. I'm about to see you guys coming on board. What is holding you? This is the hour on the dot, 2 p.m. Nigeria time. So where are you? Let's come on board. Let's do this thing as usual. Waiting for the class members. Join up now. Let's begin in earnest. We don't want to waste much time. So you do well to join now. Begin to join now. Where are you? Join the class right away. I want to be sure volumes are right. Okay, this needs to move on a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So where are you now? Begin to join now. This is the hour agreed. You do well to join us now, wherever you are, and you are for this class. You need to be here right away. There's no time to waste at all. The earlier we begin, the better for all of us, as that will enable us to cover more ground as we move on in this class. So, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Waiting for you now. Begin to join this class. I'm waiting for you. Lateness is not in our best interest because it limits what we can do for the day. So the earlier we join, the better for all of us. So begin to join now. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Waiting for you. Join up now. Where are you? What are you waiting for? Why have you not come to class? Yes. One person has taken permission, Dr. Nedu. What about the rest? What is holding you back? Join the class now. I'm waiting for you. Let's begin this class. Yes, I'm waiting. Who will come first to class today? Who is coming to class first today? If you're a member of this channel, you do well to join our class now. As agreed, this is the time agreed. And I'm in class already waiting for you. I don't know what is holding you back. Join the class now. And if you're already in the class, drop a greeting. Say Ndewo, no, Dalo. Let's know you are here. Let's welcome you officially. Let's appreciate you. So I hope there is no network glitch. I hope so. Okay, hi. Slowly getting better. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys. Come on board. Let's do it together as usual. Okay, who is first to come to class today? Drop your greetings. Let me know who has come to class. The first person to come to class today. You're welcome to class. They will know that person that have just joined the class. Drop your greetings. Let me know who is in the class. Drop your greeting. Drop your greeting in the chat. Let's know who is in the house. The first person to come to class today. You deserve some thumbs up. So drop your greeting. Let me know who is that. Let me know who have joined the class. Drop your greeting. While we wait for others to join up, we still have a few minutes to wait before we begin. So if you are already in the class, you do well to say hi, and they will no, Dalo. Just say something to indicate you are in the class. Greet us. Greet your teacher. At least when you come to class or when your teacher comes to class, you have a duty to greet your teacher. So drop your greetings for me and for others. Do that now before the class will begin. If you are trying to join this live class and you have not joined a membership of this channel, it will not work. The first thing you have to do is to click on join, to join membership. That is the only thing that will give you access to our live classes. So if you are making effort to join this live class, it won't work unless you are a member of this channel. So look for join below the black button down there and hit the join and select the level you want to join at and join this membership. That is what gives you access to our live class. You can't join this live class unless you're a member of this channel. So do that first so you can join the class. Sherry Mango, Ehiyoma, you are highly welcome. You are the first to come to class today. Interesting. Interesting. Dalo. Okay. What do I say to Sherry Mango? Choibi. Okay. Dalo da Choibi. Okay. I hope that is right. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting. We are waiting for others. We are waiting for others to come. If you are already in the class, please indicate you are in the class by dropping a greeting. That is the only way we can know you are in the class. Drop your greeting. Okay, Kenny Alex is in the class. Kenny Ndewo. So Ibi is here. Kenny is here. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Let's come to class. The earlier we do this, the better for all of us. Yes, if we come on time, we cover more ground than when we come too late. When we come too late, we're dragging behind. We may not cover much. We have two of you in the class, Soibi, Sherry Mango, and Kenny Alice. What do? We begin the class fully, or do we wait a little bit? You are the one that have the final say. You kept to the time. I don't know why others have not come to class by now. So what do? Sherry Mango and Kenny Alice, what do? Begin the class fully or wait a little bit? Please decide. What do? We know that more will join, but we can't be waiting for them. We have a time. They can't keep others waiting. So what do? Biko chere maka unu. Biko chere maka unu. Okay? I think you wanted to say Biko chere ha. Wait for them. Or you can say chere obere. Wait a bit. That is a better way. Or you say chere maka ha or chere ha. That's a better way. Okay? Kanichere obere oge. That's what Kenny Alex said. Let's wait a little while. Let me correct Soibi's, okay, biko chere makaha, that's better. Or biko chere ha, wait for them. Then Kenny said, biko chere obere oge, please wait a little while, a little time. That's good. That is by your authority. We wait a little while. Let's see whether 2 or 3 people will join before we start fully. I want to believe I'm audible enough. You can hear me. Please confirm. Very important. Confirm you can hear me loud and clear. In anolum, Sherry Mango say, that's fine. Okay. Nkeji say, okay. Kenny say we should wait for 5 minutes. That is Nkeji say means 5 minutes. All right. That's good. In anolum, you are hearing my voice. That's lovely. So we wait for 5 minutes. This is by my time. 1 minute is gone already. Remaining 4 minutes. Okay. Remaining 4 minutes. I don't know why they are coming late today. That is not one person actually has taken permission. That is Dr. Nedu. And one person is not feeling fine. She has told me that too. That is Princess Ezenwa. So that is -2 already. But we're expecting others to come on board. We are quite more than that. So let's see what happens in the next few minutes. All right, while we're waiting for them, let's review let's clarify some issues. Sherry Mango, have you downloaded your ebook from the platform? Have you gotten your ebook? I know Kenny has gotten his ebook and the audio too. Sherry Mango, please confirm. Have you gotten your book downloaded? Confirm that, please. Sherry Mango. Hey, that's good. Everything works fine. Both the audio worked fine. Sherry Mango, did the audio work fine? Were you able to access the audio? Just confirm. Say audio worked well. Let me be sure. Because I know Kenny had a problem with the audio. I have to resend the audio to him on a private file. Audio I have not downloaded. Why? Why have you not downloaded the audio? Is it that you don't know how to locate the audio or what? Because you don't need a separate time to download the audio. It is together with the book. You just click on it because you cannot actually read the book without listening to the audio. You have to listen to the audio while you are going through the book so you can get the pronunciations fine. So what is the problem? Sherry Mango. I will try now. Okay, very simple. Below the title page, you see a green bar written, click here to listen to audio or something like that. Just click on the bar. It will take you to the audio. If it does not start playing the audio, when you click on it, something is wrong with it. But when you click on it, sometimes it will ask you the email address you want to use to access it. You have to choose the email address. Mostly it works better with your Google Mail, Gmail. And for you to have a YouTube channel, be in YouTube, you must have had a Gmail account. Very important. So use your Gmail account to download the audio. Use your Gmail account to open the audio. If you use any other email, it may not work very well. But since you are on YouTube, I'm sure you have a Gmail account. Use your Gmail account to access the audio. That works more perfect. Okay? All right. Sherry Mango say, okay, Ndewo Princess Ezenwa. I was actually making excuse for you or taking permission on your behalf that you are not very strong, that you may not be in class. But you surprised me. You proved me wrong by coming to class. Ndewo, I think you deserve thumbs up as a. So, Dalo Adeze. Okay. What is happening here? That is okay. Okay, Nake is here also. They were Nake. I think the waiting paid off actually. Those who came to class on time insisted we must wait a little bit for you guys. In fact, they are magnanimous enough. Please, I want you guys to help me thank Cherry Mango and Kenny Alex. They came to class on time, but they insisted we should wait for you people. Otherwise, the class would have gone far by now. But they insisted we should wait for you people. And here you are. Please, can you help me thank Kenny Alex and Sherry Mango for showing love and concern and the team spirit. They said we should wait that you people are coming. That's why the class has not started until you came. So do well to say thank you to Sherry Mango and Kenny Alex. Please do that. That is a show of solidarity on their part and a show of love and concern. The family spirit. That is why we call it the Igbo family. Princess Ezenwa and Nake, you are the one I'm talking to. That you should say thank you to Kenny Alex and Sherry Mango. Sherry Mango said, I've downloaded it and it is working fine. It is working. Dialomaz. Perfect. Perfect. That's great. That's great. Okay. Nake and Princess Ezenwa has not done what I asked them to do. I'm waiting for you to do that, but that notwithstanding, let me ask, Ezenwa, how are you? How is your body now? Hope you're better. Ke imere? Ke maka ahụ gị? Ezenwa had flu. She's just recovering from flu. So Ezenwa Princess, ke imere? Ke maka ahụ gị? How's your body? Need your response now. Okay. Dalo nake. Okay. Class starting now. Let's go. We are moving now. Okay. Last time we stopped at a particular thing, which is a goo, like digging the ground. That was the last thing we did last time. So we are continuing from there today. So we go to the next thing here, go to the next thing today. And what do we have? This is the first we have. Our first name and item today is this. Let's go. The way we did it last time is where we are still going to do it. You make effort to give the tone mark by yourself. Let's see how much you can understand the sound by yourself. Then we give the answer and pronounce it eventually so that we can make corrections where necessary. This is the first we have today. Can we give our tone mark for this? Let's give our tone mark for this. Let's go. Let's give our tone mark for this on the screen. Yes. I hope the network is not failing. Let's give our tone mark. Okay, Kenny has given. Sherry Mango has given. Let me hear what Nake and Princess will say about this. Princess say Alanelu. Okay. What did Nake say? What is your opinion on this? Back of the head. As pointed as the point that the arrow is touching. Back of the head. What do you say? What is your third mark? Nake. Let's go. Give your tone mark. Give your tone mark. Nake, we're waiting for you. Please, when we ask for tone mark, if you don't know what to mark, just say you don't know. That way you will save us time. We will not be waiting. We'll move on to give the answer and move to the next thing. That's far better than to keep us waiting. Okay, Nake is in. Elu Nala. Okay, two people said Elu Nala. Two people said Allah. One person Allah Nala. The other person Allah Na Elu. Let's go to our answer now and see what it is. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I have to stop this one. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Something is blocking me here. Okay. This is what we got. Let me see how many people that got it. Elunala. Any others got it? Elunala. Nake got it. Two people got it right. Kenny Ales and Nake. Those are the two people that got it right. Elu na ala. Please make your corrections if you make mistake. Let me pronounce it now. It's pronounced as Ekwe. 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 All right. That is done. I hope it's clear. That is back of the neck of the head. Let's go. Next. Now. Next. Same word, different sound. Let's go. Same word, different sound. This is what we have. Let's go. Let's give our tone marks. Let's mark. If you have joined this class, let's know you are in the class. Respond to questions, read us. Okay, let's give our mark. The picture is there, the name is there. Let's give our mark. Kenny has given. Princess has given. Yes, let's go. Where is Sherry Mango? Where is Nake? Okay, Sherry Mango has given. Remaining Nake. Nake, you are the one we are waiting for. I know more people have joined the class. About 2 more people have joined the class. If you are in the class, please respond to the question on the screen. Give your tone mark. If you are already in the class, give your tone mark on the item displayed. Still waiting for Nnake and the rest. Remember to give our live stream a thumbs up. Beside my channel name, hit the like button there and share if possible. Let's go. Those of you who are in the class, give your tone mark. Many of you are already in the class. Okay. Nnake has given his own. Who else is there? We have about 6 people in the class. The rest have not seen your contribution. You didn't greet us. You are silently in the class. Please play a part. Okay? Play a part. Let's go. Let's go to Mark. Let's see who gets it right. Okay, to stop this one, let's see who gets it right. Okay, this is what we have. Hi, hi. Elu ne elu. Kenny Alex, perfect. Elu ne elu. I think you are the only one that got it right. And let me pronounce it now. It sounds ekwe, ekwe, ekwe. I hope that is clear enough. Ekwe, that is high, high. Okay, that is the sound of that wooden gong. Make your corrections as appropriate. Make your corrections as appropriate. It down now. I go to the next. And this is what we got. This is what we got. Share that. This is have. Let's mark. Let's mark. Agree. Agree. Kenny. Kenny has marked. Kenny, I hope you are not looking at your book. Oh. I hope you are not looking at your book because we have the book. We are supposed to go through the book, but when we are in class, we don't look at our books again. We use what we have learned to answer questions in the class to show we have already known them. Okay? So I want to believe Kenny is not looking at his book at all. Kenny, am I right? Defend yourself or clear yourself now. Hope you are not giraffing. Confirm that you are not giraffing, that your book is not open in your computer. Okay, Kenny say mba. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. If you are in a class and you've not greeted us, you are not contributing. What is our offense? Why are you annoyed with us? If you are in the class, drop a greeting at least. You say they will know. Let's know you are with us. And then participate in what we are doing. And don't forget to hit the like button beside my channel name to show you appreciate what we are doing. Okay, we have Kenny. I have Sherry Mango. Who else has contributed? Nnake is here. Where is Princess? I hope Princess is not discouraged. I hope you are not discouraged. I am not getting it. But the beautiful thing about it is that you are knowing how to pronounce these words. It's not about you getting the answers right. It's about you knowing it, knowing how they are pronounced, knowing how they are called at this point in time, understanding it. That's the goal for the class. Okay? So, it seems there is a glitch. I don't know. Are you still in the class? Please confirm. Confirm you are still there. Confirm you are still there. Is there anybody still responding? Are you there? I have Kenny, Sherimango, Nnake. Who else is responding? Where is the princess and the rest? I have not seen their response. So I might have to go on to display the answer. It appears there's a glitch. I'm not getting responses. And those who are in class, the count is fluctuating. It appears there's a network issue. Please, if you are still in the class and you are hearing me, say I'm here. Say I am here. Please confirm you are in the class. Confirm you are still in the class and you are hearing me. I want to be sure network is still okay. Okay, Kenny is here. Who else is in the class? Please say I'm here. I want to be sure the signals I'm getting are not bright. It appears many people have been cut off. Are you still in the class? If you are there, say I'm here. Indicate you are still in the class. Sherry Mango, are you there? Anomeba, okay, that's in that case, Anomeba. How about Sherry Mango? How about Princess? Are you still there? Sherry Mango say I'm here. Princess, are you there? You are the people I'm very sure of that have shown up by contributing. I don't know about the rest. Princess, are you still there? Is anyone? Okay, I'm here. That's fine. I did that four are the people I'm sure of that are in the class because they are the one making contributions. So let me go on. I'm going to give the response to this. Should I go ahead? Those of you who have not answered it, it's assumed you don't know what to write. Okay. Let me go on to pull up the answer to this. Okay. But I got to stop sharing the other one. Okay. This is what we have. Let me see who got that. Kenny, what did you write? Alanelu. Perfect. Perfect. Sherry Mango, Alanala. No. Nake, Alanelu. Perfect. Nake got it. Alanelu. Perfect. Okay. Let me pronounce now. Let me pronounce. Princess Ezenwa, I hope you are not lost completely. Are you still following? Let me pronounce now. It sounds ekwe, ekwe, ekwe. That is agree. Obrona okwe, if you agree. O ekwe. Obrona ha ekwe, ekwe. Low, high. That is ala, nelu. Perfect. Let's go on to another one. All right. This is what, okay, stop the other one. This is what we got now. This is what we have. Let's give our tone marks for this. Give you a tone mark. Give you a tone mark for this. Okay. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Who else is there? Drop your tone mark. Sherry Mango is in. Okay. I'm waiting for the rest. Drop your mark. Drop your mark. Let's see what your marking is. Let's see what your marking is. Your tone marking. I got Kenny. I got Sherry Mango. Oh, Princess is in already. Nnake is also in. Good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. It appears almost all of you are getting it right. Let's pull it up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you remember Gogo? You remember Gogo? That's great. Our elephant. All right. Let's go. Let's share this one and see what it is. Okay. What we got is this. I think all of you got it right. Yes. Beginning with Kenny. Kenny wrote Elu na elu, correct. Cherry mango, ala na elu, only you failed it. Eze nwa elu na elu, correct. Nnaka elu na elu, correct. So only Cherry mango that did not get it right. Others got it very correctly. Okay, let's move and to another one. Let's see what we got next. Let's see what we got next. Same spelling, different meaning, different sound. Let's see what we have. Yes, it's there. Let's go. Give me a mark. Give you a mark. Kenny is in. Yes, who else is marking? Oh, did I pronounce the elephant? Did I pronounce the elephant? I think I didn't pronounce the elephant. It is Enyi, 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 high, high. Enyi, elu na elu. I'm pronouncing the elephant now. Enyi, elu na elu. Enyi. That's fine. I believe it's clear. Okay, let's see what we have for friends. Kenny is in, Cherry Mango is in, Princess is in, Nnake is in. Okay, you are the regulars. I don't know if any other person has joined the class. Nobody has greeted us. Nobody has contributed to know that they are in the class. Maybe they are silent students. Okay, let me see. Almost all of you got it right. I think virtually all of you. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. But I'm convinced that almost all of you got. What do we have? Kenny, Elunala, correct. Cherry Mango, Elunala, correct. Princess, Elunala, correct. Nnaka, Elunala, correct. I said it. All of you got it right. Enyi. I'm pronouncing now. Enyi. 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 High, low. Enyi. High, low. Right. We move to next one. Next one. A new word entirely. A new word entirely. Let's go share it. It's a new word. This is what we have. Let's mark. Let's mark. Let's mark. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Please, those who are struggling to join this live class, be informed that you cannot be able to join this live class except you're a member of this channel. So the first thing to do if you intend to join this live class is to join our channel membership. Look down below or beside the channel name or beside the subscribe button, you will see a join button. Click on the join button to join the channel membership. That way you gain access to our live classes. That is a part of your perk of being a member of the channel, part of your advantage. So do that now if you intend to join this live class. I can see some people are struggling to join the class. They couldn't join. Please join our channel. That is the access to this live class. Thank you for doing that, emailer. Okay, we're talking about king. Okay, Kenny is in, princess is in. Cherry mango is in, and nnake is in. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go pull up the answer. I think most of you got it right. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Okay. Let's see what it is. Boom. We're here. Let me check. Kenyales. Elu n'ala. Correct. Princess. Elu n'elu. Mba. Cherry mango. Elu etiti n'ala. Mba. Anake. Elu n'ala. Perfect. Correct. Elu n'ala. Let me pronounce now. It's pronounced as eze. Eze. High low. Eze. 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 That is high low. Elu na ala. Elu na ala. High low. Up. This. Go to the next one. Same spelling, but going to be different meaning. Let's see what it is. Same spelling, different meaning. We're going to share this one now. We're going to share it. What are we sharing? This is what we have. This is what we have. Let's have our marks. Okay. Kenny is in. Kenny is in. Who is following? Kenny is leading the pack. Kenny Alice is leading the pack. Yes. Where are the rest? Give me a third mark. Sherry Mango is in. Princess is in. Where is Nake? Where is Nake? Waiting for Nake to give us his third mark. Yes. Waiting for you. The Nake family, give us your third mark. Okay, Nake is in. Good. Let's see what it is. I think almost all of you got it right, except one person, I guess. Guess. Let's see. This is what we have. Elu na elu. Kenya Les, correct. Sherry Mango ala na ala. Mba. Princess, elu na elu, correct. Nake, elu na elu, correct. Only one person missed it. Good effort. I pronounce now. It's pronounced as eze. Eze. Why the king that is high low is eze. Eze. King. High low. Teeth. Eze. High high. I believe that is clear enough. So, Sherry Mango, make a correction. We move. And what do we have now? We have a different word. A different word entirely. This is what we got. Let's mark. Let's mark this one. Let's mark this one. Yes, let's shoot it. Let's go. Okay. Kenny is in. Princess is in. Princess are charged though. This lady doesn't give up. He doesn't want to give up. Princess is on fire now. She's not giving any space again. Yes. Good. Okay. Okay. All the regulars have turned in their responses. Let's go pull up the answer. I think almost all of you got it right. I think except one person. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. That is high low. That we have Elunala. Kenya is correct. Princess Elunala, correct. Nake Elunala, correct. Only Sherry Mango. Elunelu. You are the only one that missed it. And let me pronounce it now. It sounds Ike. 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 That is Elu Allah. Ike. Elu Allah. Okay, Sherry Mango. Is that right? Okay. If you want to join this live class, please join our channel membership first so that you can gain access to join this live class. Those of you who are in class, do well, give us a thumbs up. Go to our channel name. Beside it, you see a thumbs up mark. Hit the like button. It's important to us. Okay? Do that now. Very important. Okay, we're moving on. We've done EK. We go to the next. We go to next. And what is the next here? Let's share it. Share the next. Next. Let's mark this. Let's mark this now. Give your tone marks. Kenny is in. Kenny is leading the pack. Kenny is in. Princess is in. Princess is on fire too. Sherry Mango is in. Sherry no agree at all. Okay. Nake, you are the one lagging. Where are you? Where are you? Nake, where are you? Nake is in. Okay. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Mark. Good work for everybody. Let's go, Mark, our scripts. Okay. What do we have? This is what we have. I think almost everybody got it right, except one person, maybe. Kenny, Elu Neelu, correct. Princess, Elu Neelu, correct. Princess on fire. Sherry Mango, Elu Neelu, yay. Up you, Sherry Mango. Nake Elu Neelu, wow. Everybody got it. This is 100% perfect mark for every active participant. Apart from those silent members, I don't know them yet. Good one. All right, let's go. We are moving. And then we have a third word, same spelling. This time another tone entirely. A third word in this series. Okay. This is what we have. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's go. Give your mark. Give your mark. Okay. Princess is in. First time, this one taking first now. Princess is in. Yes, who else is coming behind Princess? Princess is in. I hope you don't want to overthrow Kenny Alice. Cherry Mango is in. Okay. Okay. Kenny is hesitating. He's not sure. Where is Nake? What do you say? What does Nake say about this? Give us your mark. Nake, give us your mark. What do you say? Waiting for you. The Nake. What do you say to this? Still waiting for Nake to come in with his response before we mark. I believe he's having network delay. Are you there, Nake? Are you there? Or we should go on to mark? Okay, I'll be looking for the answer. Why Nake is coming in? I will not share yet. Yeah. Nake, are you in? Put this one down. I want to share now. I don't know if Nake is in already or not sure of the answer. Okay. This is what we have. Ha elu na etiti. Ezenwa wrote ala na ala. It doesn't go at all. Sherry Mango wrote ala na ala. Also, no way. Kenny, etiti na elu. Just, just slightly missed. Because it's just the reverse that you needed. Elu na etiti. But you wrote etiti na elu. You almost hit it right. Almost. Almost. Remain a very small margin. It is elu na etiti. Let me pronounce it now. It sounds ike, ike, not ike, no, not ike, no, but ike, 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 high and middle, high and middle, elu na etiti, high and flat, okay? It's still confusing me. Ude etiti is still confusing me. Yeah, it can be confusing, really. Ude etiti can be confusing, I agree with you. It can be confusing. But look at this sound now. Ike, Ike, high, low, K, A, high, high, power, Ike. You can see how it goes. Ike, Ike. But this one is Ike, Ike. It doesn't go high, it doesn't go low. So though it can be confusing sometimes. Okay. What did Nake say? Agamaba. What do you mean, Nake? I don't know what you mean by agamaba. Please clarify us. I didn't know what you mean. Maybe I didn't get what you wanted to write clearly. Okay, let's go. I think we're picking something else now. We are through with IKE. We have another word entirely. A new word. A new word. We have. This is what we have. Let's go. Let's go. Iron. Iron. Give me a Kenny. Princess is in. Yes, where's Cherry Mango? Where is Nake? Other silent people. If you are in the class and you just choose to learn, you don't know how to give these marks, please at least you say you are in the class. You greet us. Let's know you are in the class. Very important. Okay. We have Kenny first, followed by Princess, followed by Sherry Mango. Is Nnake stay in the class or not? I don't know what he wrote, what he means. By Anna Maba. Do you want to say I'm driving or I'm running? I don't know. Okay. If Nake is not available again, I take these three to be the answers. So let's look at what the marking is. Let's see the marking. Let's see the marking. What is the marking? We share now. This is what we have. Ha elu ala. Elu ala. Kenny got it right. Princess elu nala. Correct. Sherry Mango elu nala. Correct. Okay. Let me pronounce it now. And it sounds Igwe. 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 High, low. Igwe. So all of you, those of you who responded got it right. I don't know whether Nake is still in the class or not. Okay? To move. We have to move. Let's see what we got. Next. Same spelling. Different sound. Different meaning. This is what we have now. Let's go. Mark now. If you are marking now, Kenny is in. I know everyone will follow. Yes, everyone is in. Sherry Mango, where are you? Sherry Mango is in. Anybody else in the class? Silent student, where are you? If you are in this class and you are following what we are doing, but you don't know how to contribute, just indicate you are in the class. Say, I am in, or I'm here. Let's know you are in the class. We can also mention your name. That is the beauty of a live class. Okay. I assume that these responses are what we have. I don't know whether Nnake is still in the class or not. Nnake, are you still in the class? Can you confirm if you are still in the class? Please indicate. Let's know you are still with us. You are still here talking to Nnake family. Can you confirm if you are still here with us? Let's be sure you are here. Nnake, are you still here? No response from you. I want to assume you are no more in the class. So I put it down. Maybe you have gone to work or something. Let's look at the answer for this. And then let's pick it up. Okay. That's it. What did we mark? Kenny Alice, Elu na Elu, correct. Princess, Elu na Elu, correct. Sherry Mango, Elu na Elu, perfect. Perfect. You are the regulars I have here. I don't know if others are here or not. Okay. Let's go to next one. What do we have next? Same spelling again, different tone, different meaning. Let's go. This is what we have. Give us your mark. Give us your mark. Let's go there. Yes, let's go. I used to hear "quo" for ground. Yes. Ground has two names. It has two names. Equal to grind. Igwe, sky, or to grind also. You either use igwe or equal. Both are correct. Quo or gwe, both are correct. Okay. Gwe, okay. Igwe is also correct. Okay. So I think even equal or quo seem to be more popular than igwe. I think so. But both are correct. Okay, thank you for raising that, Kenny Alice, at least for the benefit of other people. So you either use igwe or equal for to grind. Okay, we have our word. Who answers first? Cherry Mango. I think you are the one who answered this one first. Is that? Yes. Followed by Princess, then Kenny. Wow, good effort. I assume that Nake has gone somewhere. Okay, that I go straight and pull up the answer to this, and then let's see what it is. I think virtually all of you are right here. Most all of you are right. Alana ala. Sherry Mango, perfect. Princess Alana ala, perfect. Princess Alana ala, perfect. Perfect score. Great one. And let me pronounce. It sounds Igwe, 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 low, Igwe, low, Igwe. So you guys tried. Okay. Let's go. Let's this. Go to the next one. Next word entirely. This is what we got now. Let's share. This is what we have. Let's go. Tongue. Let's go. Give your mark. Tongue. Kenny. Oh, okay. Kenny is in. Yes, Kenny is in. Princess is in. Princess is in. Sherry Mango is in. Wow. Any other person in class? I don't know. Okay. Assume you are the one class. Let's go. Go pull up the answer and see what it is. Okay. Let's pull up the answer. And this is what we have. I think all of you got it again. Kenny wrote Elu na Elu, correct. Princess Elu na Elu, correct. Cherry Mango Elu na Elu. Is that elu na elu also? Yes, correct. So you all got it. Perfect score. And the sound is ire, 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 high, high. Okay, we'll move. We'll move. What do we have? After that, we have this. We have this. Look at that. Give this your tone mark. Give your tone mark to the picture and the words on the screen. Mm, 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 mm. What do we have? I think all of you have answered already. I think the first person to answer here is Princess Ezenwa is the first. Yes, Princess came in first, followed by Sherry Mango, followed by Kenny Alex. Princess wrote Elu Naala. And then Sherry Mango wrote Alanala. Oh, that's off mark. Kenny wrote Etiti na Elu. Okay, let's see. I think this is high, high. Ire to sell. Ire. It should be high, high. Yeah. Oh, Kenny Alex beat me to this one. He beat me to this one. Perfect mark around. Kenny Alex beat me to this game this time around. Good one. Etiti Neelu. Kenny Alex got it perfect. Etiti Neelu. Ire. Ire. It's not ire. It's not ire. It's ire. Flat. High. Ire. Kenny is the winner this time around. Kenny is the winner this time. Etiti na elu. That's what I'm doing currently. Okay. Okay, you are selling. That's good. That's what Igbos are known for. We are business people. We sell. Okay. I hope to know what you are selling. Maybe we patronize you. All right. Go down and go to the next one. And what do we have here? Okay. This is what we got. This one is tricky. Oh. Is it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Shoot your shot. Kenny is in. Yes, where's SA1? SA1 is in. Sherry Mango, where are you? Where are you? Sherry Mango, we're waiting for you. Where are you? Sherry Mango, you are the one we are waiting for. Give your answer. You there? If you don't have idea, say no idea so we can move on. Say no idea. No idea. No idea if you don't know what to write. If you know, go ahead. Sherry mango. Are you there? Sherry mango, are you there? Okay, I'm going to start marking now. I'm still hoping that you come in. Sherry mango, if you are still around. Are you still in the class? Please confirm, Sherry Mango, you are still around. That's still there. Let me be sure we've not lost you to network failure or glitch. Sherry Mango, are you there? Say I'm here if you are there. Let's know you don't know the answer. Yeah, you hearing me, Sherry Mango? Can you hear me? If you are there, say I'm still here. If you've gone, if we don't hear you, we assume you have gone. I didn't hear from you. And let's see what it is. And I think those who answered got it effectively, perfectly. And that is Kenyales Allah Nala. Princess Allah Nala. That is correct. Low. And it sounds ire, 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 ire. Effective. Odire. It is effective. Okay. Move. We're driving home now. And then let's see what we got again. What do we have? What do we have? One more class of word we're going to do. One more class of word. Okay. One more class of word. Okay. And the word is this. This is what we have. This is what we have. Give us your mark. Give us your mark. Princess is on fire. She has come in. Kenyales. Sherry Mango, where are you? This is the last set we are doing for today. Oh, Clement Emehe just coming in now. Too late. Too late. They will, but they are coming too late. Okay. Princess has answered. In, though not sure, but it's fine. Clement Emehe has answered his own. Okay. Let's go straight and see what it is. Let's see what it is. I hope someone will get this. I hope. Let's see if anybody gets it. What do we write? Princess Elu na Elu. No? Nala. Correct. Clement, Elu na Elu. Mba is Elu nala. It sounds nkwo. Nkwo. Not nkwo. Not nkwo, but nkwo. Mount together. Nkwo. elu nala. That is the word. Elu nala. Nkwo. Nkwo. That is okay. Let's pick the next in this category. Let's pick the next in this category. And this is what we have. The next in this category is this. Let's go. Hawk. That is the next in the category. Let's mark. Let's go. Give your mark. Give your mark now. Kenya Les is in. Is that right? Kenya Les, did you write Alanala? Is that your own? Is that your response? Clement, Elu Nelu. Okay. Cherry Mango, Eru Nelu. Princess, Alanala. Okay. Can you say yes? So you picked Alanala. Okay. That's interesting responses. Ezenwa also said Alanala. I do hope so. Alanala. All right. So we have various answers. Kenny Alanala. Clement. Elu Nelu. Cherry Mango. Elu Nelu also. Princess Alanala. So 2 people voted for Elu Nelu. 2 people for Alanala. We will see those who win. We will see the group that wins this particular race. Let's pull it down and go for the answer. Let's see those group that will win. One group actually won, but let's see the group. Let's see the group that won this contest. I think it's Clement Emehe group. I think yes, that is Emehe group. Elu Neelu, that is the winner group. Elu Neelu, Clement and Sheri Mango, you are the winners. Why Alanala lost the game is he pronounced Nkwo, Nkwo, Nkwo. That is hawk. Nkwo is high, high. Okay, let's go for the last for today. We are marking 1 hour of starting, more than 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour of starting full class. So we've tried. We don't want to make it too long and too stressful. Let's go for the last for today. Last for today is Igbo Market Day. Igbo Market Day. Go market. Give me your marking. Okay, you say you are hearing Elunetiti for the hawk. I said Nkwo, 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 Nkwo. That seems to be correct. It seems to be Elunetiti, Nkwo. Though the other O is O, Nkwo. You know, we have O, O. So I think high is also okay. It's also okay. But a titi can also go for that. Sometimes the titi and high crosses each other, but it's high, high. Nkwo, Nkwo. Low is Nkwo. Okay. Then we have this one now. I think that Nkwo should actually be a high flat. I think you are right, because let's see what this one is. Let me not judge finally. Let's mark our own here. What do we say? Kenny said Allah. N'elu. Sherry Mango say ala na ala. Clement say ala n'elu. What did the princess say? Princess, what did you say to our market day? What do you, princess, say to the market day? Market day. Market day. What do you say? Princess. Yeah. What did princess say to this? Okay, princess is in. Elu na elu. Elu na elu. Okay. Let me mark quickly. Batteries low. I gotta mark this. Okay. Let's see who got it right. I have not stopped sharing the first one. Okay. This is it, which is who got it? Who got it right? Low high. Alanelu, Kenny got it. Alanala, Chimango, no. Clement, Alanelu, correct. Princess, what did you write? Alanelu, correct. That is okay. I'm very perfect. And it's on that note. Sorry, I need to plug my system. It's running on low battery. Okay. So that is about the last for today. And I want to commend those of you who braved it to come to class and participated fully in this class of today. You do well to hit the like button, share out this our live class. Very important to us. If you have not hit the like button, please do that. Beside my channel name, hit the thumbs up there and do share it out. Thank you for coming to class today, for always being there, learning with us. I believe you have learned one or two things today. If I'm right, please indicate by saying A. Just say A. Have you learned something today? Just reply me by saying A in the comment, the chat session. Let me be sure you have learned something new today. Have you learned anything today? I need your response. Say A. Give us a thumbs up today. Sherry Mango is giving us a thumbs up. Say A. How about the rest? Princess has learned something. By the way, Princess, thank God you are strong enough. I hope we're going to have our class this evening. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, Kenya, let's say A. Dalomazi. How about Clement Emehe? Even though you came very late, very, very late. Did you learn anything? Clement say A, great one. Those who came late can rewatch the live class because, of course, it will be uploaded into our channel. You can go back and rewatch it again if you join the class late so they can be abreast of what we have done. Remember to get your, okay? Remember, okay, thank you, Kenny. Remember to get your ebook. If you have not done that, go and download your book. Go and click on channel membership in my homepage, membership, access your ebook, download it, and be sure everything is working fine. Those who had problem with their audio have already indicated, and I sent audio file to them directly. So you have no reason to worry. Any challenge you have, let me know. I will always address that. So I appreciate your time. See you next week. Kemesia. God bless you all.